In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, what you want to do is go to your chart of accounts, click on settings top right, and click on chart of accounts over here. And now you want to find the accounts you want to merge. So for example, I'm going to go to the bottom here where I created a sample account, and I want to merge this sample account into savings, okay? Now, of course, you can merge it to whichever one you want, and you can merge whichever you want as well, okay? All you have to know is the name of the one you want to merge into, and then the type of it as well. So if I go to sample account over here, I want to click on the arrow down and click on edit. Now what you want to do is actually rename it to give it the same name of the one you're merging into. So this one is going to be savings, like that. And then what's also very important, the account type and detail type must be the exact same of one of the account which you're trying to merge into. So I'm going to go with bank over here, and I know this one actually has savings, so that's going to be it. If I now click the save button, it's going to ask me if I want to merge. Click on yes merge, and there we go. That way it's going to merge the accounts. Now if you get an error, likely it is because they're not using the correct type. So of course, if you didn't type in the correct type and this detail over here, so if I go to savings and click on edit over here, if you're not using the correct detail type and account type, then it's not going to work. These three things have to be the exact same in the one you want to merge of the one you want to merge into. So that's essentially all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.